What's going on, guys? It's Robert with Discount Forklift. I'd like to take a brief moment to congratulate Eric and the rest of his team on the purchase of this super sweet Bobcat S530. Super clean machine. On front, you're going to see this really nice brand new auger attachment as you guys had requested. Before I go ahead and have the operator show you how she runs, I'm going to go ahead and let you know a couple of the items we're going to throw in with your purchase. You're going to have this tote bag. You're going to have a manual, kind of basically showing you the basics, troubleshooting inside and outs kind of your machine. And we're also throwing in these pretty cool shirts. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to go ahead and have Cedric here show you how she runs.
Alright guys, we'll give you some of the internal functions so when you get this you know what you've got going on. You have two joystick hand controls. You can convert them with the button right here to foot controls. Here's the starting key. Here's the turtle, slow mode, rabbit mode, the faster mode. When you come over here we have a bucket lock. We have the, this is your parking brake lock. Once you get in the unit and you have the safety belt and the bar in place, you hold this button down, it will unlock the traction interlock. All of your functions will become available. Then you can determine if you want to use joystick or hand controls. And the final button is the auxiliary button right here. You hold that button in for about 5 or 10 seconds. When you let go, it will light up on one side, and then you have a thumb switch that actually will turn your bit clockwise, counterclockwise, and then you can change speeds here, clockwise, counterclockwise to dig your holes. I hope that was helpful. Enjoy the truck.